Today is March 21st, and we're going to try blueberries. Ready? What do you think? What do you think? You act like you've eaten blueberries all your life. Okay. That was I thought I'd at least get some kind of reaction. Blueberries are messy. Blueberries are a little messy, aren't they? Do you like them? I think you like them. Oh boy. Oh boy, yum.
Her face is gonna be dyed blue.
Yeah, I know. Good stuff.
Hey, can I stop?